I healed the man who will kill you. Can you feel the Schadenfreude?
Dankeschön. Da, Dankeschön.
The healing is not as rewarding as the hurting.
Whoops. That was not medicine.